don't you get views? Like you are posting videos every day, but then why very less subscribers? I am from a middle class family where my parents won't even allow me to, and some people might even ask that why did I hide my subscribers. I'd like to thank those people who are supporting me, who are giving my comments, such as I will take a name. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on the Expound. So I think from the thumbnail itself you would have known what I'm going to say. So if not, all I'm going to tell in today's video is about myself and about my YouTube channel, okay? And the main reason why I'm making this video is I just reached like 200 subscribers in my YouTube channel. So I was like, okay fine, let's just celebrate this in kind of way. I mean, yeah, just 200, but I think we should celebrate tiny happiness in our life. So I thought, okay, I think many people don't know much about me, so I just want to tell about me in this video. So if you want to know anything about me, what do I do and why did I come to this place, then you can watch it till the end if you want to. So first I will talk about myself and then I will come about this YouTube and all. So my name is Jaya. So my full name is Jayalakshmi Jagdishan. So mainly people call me as Jaya, like most of the people call me Jaya. So you can call me Jaya also if you want to. So I have completed my schooling and now I am in college right now. So now I just thought that, you know, to be honest, my life is boring. Boring as hell. Because I don't actually know how to make it interesting, because if you look at my school life, I will be just going to school and then again tuitions and then again home and then again the same thing used to be repeated. I actually found no meaning in it. Like I just found it very boring. So you know, then okay fine, now school life is over. Now come the college life. So in this also the same thing, going to college and coming back to hostel and then sleeping again. The same routine is happening again and again. So suddenly this quarantine came. Okay, now after this quarantine I'm in my house and this house is totally boring as well, because my parents are abroad, so they are not in my house. So now I just have to stay with my aunt. So I'm just, you know, I felt myself so alone here, and all I do is Netflix and watching movies or series. Always I will be watching this only to make my life more interesting. And again, after coming to this quarantine at 2 months, I was literally watching things. Then I was just thinking that what is life? Like there is no entertainment. So I just thought like I have to do something. Okay, so one day what happened was I was just eating in my house. I think 2-3 months after quarantine have begun. So now suddenly my cousin calls me and tells me that, you know, you are just simply at home. Anyway, you're feeling so bored. So do one thing, you just make some videos and then post it on YouTube. Then I was like, what? I am from a middle class family where my parents won't even allow me to show my face, like, you know, post pictures in publicly social media. So just like every parent, there will be much restrictions. So I also have so many restrictions in my family, but still I am so glad that they allowed me for this YouTube, like posting videos on YouTube. And also I never thought that I will come publicly, you know, and then I'll show my face and all, because still my Instagram account is private and I don't allow any other person whom I don't know. But then I started posting some 4-5 videos. I think it was, I did not tell any of my friends or anybody, only my family people know about it. So I thought I will just post around some 7 to 10 videos, and then if I find something interesting, then I'll post videos for some more few days, and then my college will open and then I will go and then I'll do the same routine again and again. But then once I started posting it, like after 4-5 videos, I don't know actually what happened to me, because I was so attracted to it. Like if you take my school life only, like what I was doing in school, that I love talking in public. I like people listening to me. Like when they listen from me, listen my thoughts or listen to whatever I am speaking, then that gives me quite a little bit of happiness. So I love doing public speaking. I love, I was very open-minded student. Like I wasn't just like, I won't participate in anything, just backbencher and sitting all the time studying. I wasn't like that. Yes, I was studying so hard, but this side I was also doing some of the other activities, just like speaking and all. So I loved doing these kind of things. So I thought, anyway, I like doing it, I like speaking, so why can't I just post videos? So I started posting around 20 videos, and after that nobody was watching my videos. Like still many people don't watch, but still, and also I would like to thank those people who are supporting me, who are giving my comments, such as, I will take a name: Sadik, Simply Pallavi, Technical Raj S, 14 Vicky, Mech, John Napoleon, Gokul Raja, Aditya R, and Rahul George. So thank you so much for commenting and sharing your opinions also. So I just want to say thank you to all these people. So I think keep supporting if you can. So now talking about the thing, where did I stop, by the way? Yes, after posting the 20 videos, I was not at all getting views. It was quite ulta for me. Just like, unlike another YouTubers, what happens is, in the beginning, people will be having very less followers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 views, just like this. But then when they post videos continuously, then their views and subscribers increase. But then mine was totally different. And then after some days, I realized that I should tell my friends also about this. Then I started forwarding to my college. I never told my school friends. I did not tell. I have just told about my YouTube channel to only 10 to 20 people, and this Rahul and Mech are among those 20 people who are supporting me right now. So now I have just started posting videos, and right now I have posted about like 95 plus videos. So now you might ask me, like, why don't you get views? Like, you are posting videos every day, but then why very less subscribers? Why very less views? I think in order to understand this, many people should understand the YouTube algorithm. So I think that is a huge thing. So I think I don't want to tell that in this video about that. So all I believe is, the YouTube is just like, you don't get views when you post the video. It will take time, maybe 6 months or maybe 1 year. It might be any time, but it will definitely promote your videos to the viewers if you do good job. So I think I am just providing how much as I can in the videos in YouTube. And also many people say that, why do you post these many videos? Quality matters than quantity. So the truth is, I don't know how to make a quality content. What I can do is post as much as video as I can. If something is good from there, if some video turns out to be good, then people will watch, and if that people like my other videos also, then they will come and watch that also. So I just have this kind of mentality, and some people might even ask that, why did I hide my subscribers? The basic thing. And see, I just want to tell you, I got 200 subscribers, okay? This just means that I don't want people to judge me by my subscribers. Many people, even in Instagram, they will just see the followers and then they will think like, wow, she has so many friends, she's so powerful. So they will just think like that, because I know I'm doing good, and if I do good, one day I will get the result. So I just started sharing my videos to my college friends mostly. So I just sent my video link one day in a mail, and I didn't know it will go to the whole college. I just knew that it will go to my specific class. So I thought like, okay, fine, anyway, one or the other day they are going to know about my channel. So I just left it like that. So now I haven't told to many of my school friends, but I actually believe in do and show rather than show and do. So I'm just trying that, or maybe I will, if I will get views, if I give advertisement about my channel. But I think I'm just doing for time pass right now, a little bit serious about it. But yeah, I think the main priority which I should give is for my studies. I should be, I should graduate. So if I'm not posting any videos, then it will definitely be, the reason is the exam, or it might be some semester exam, or it might be something related to studies. And then I will think about the future of this YouTube channel. If I think that I'm not getting enough response, so I should stop it. If I do that, then I will be a foolish person ever. Who knows, maybe I am 2 days away from my success, I'm 1 week away from my success. So I just don't want the process which I'm doing to be waste. So I believe in time, I believe good things happen, but the good things will happen at a correct time. So I just believe in that one statement, that you will shine when it's your time. So thank you so much, guys. I hope I have covered it, the whole thing, whatever is in my mind I have just told you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting and like this video if you can. Subscribe to my channel if you can. And tell me what you felt about this, knowing my boring kind of story. And tell me you have any other doubts, or if you want to know more about me, just tell me that also in the comment. Thank you so much. Until the next video.